Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm doing a very exciting Secret Santa collab with some other amazing artists. Now everybody's YouTube channels will be listed down in the description. Make sure you check them out and subscribe. But I'm doing this awesome collab with Mina, Sarah, and the Masse Boys. So all fantastic artists, and we each picked a number and then got assigned a name, and we sent them a secret Santa package with some art supplies for a project. So coming December 13th, we will all be releasing our videos using the supplies in the secret package that we got. So this video is the unboxing of my package. I don't know who sent it to me. It's one of those awesome artists, and I can't wait to show you what I got. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what's in the box. I'm so excited / nervous. All right. So we have this. It's a box in a box. I'm gonna set this aside for now. Oh. Okay. And a special letter. Let's see, anything else in here? Oh, yep, there's more stuff. All right, let's read the letter though. From the desk of Santa Claus. Hello, Marcy. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.
This is Santa here in the North Pole. Santa knows that you've been good this year.
I've been watching your YouTube channel with Mrs. Claus. Oh! Even the elves join in too sometimes, and we love it.
I have especially noticed all the amazing art you have been producing, and so we wanted to offer up a special challenge.
Mrs. Claus and I would like you to use the following colors: ice blue and pear deep brown, and sapphire. And you can pick up to 2 of your own to create something extra joyful for all your viewers.
We have also included an extra special little something for you to use as inspiration. We can't wait to see what you do with it, and we will be watching on December 13th.
Be safe and have fun. Love, Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Look how cute this is. Ah! So excited. Okay. So I'm going to set that aside. And now we see what we've got. Alright, this is like kind of stuck in here. Talk about awkward unboxings. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. So we'll go ahead and open this first. I'm going to be wise and use some scissors. Does anyone else save bubble wrap that they get in the mail? I totally do. This is so cool. That will look amazing to pour over that. All right. You know, I just realized that meant to say pearl brown, not pear. Because this is the pearl deep brown. Okay, good. So that's one of the colors to use. And then there was sapphire. It also says ice blue. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be sapphire. And maybe it was misprinted or something. That's cool. All right. Now this box. Now keep in mind, I have no idea who this is from. So this could be from any one of my fun collab mates. Cool snow globes. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna be expected to put this in the pour, but that is just gorgeous. And you know what? I've never had a snow globe in my life, I don't think. So this makes me so excited. I feel like a 5-year-old. Yay, that's beautiful. All right, so stay tuned December 13th for this super fun collab. I'm gonna create something with all of this awesome stuff, plus my own colors. Make sure you check out the Masse Boys channel, Masse Art. Make sure you check out Mina's channel and Sarah's channel, the M's. And I'll see you guys soon.